Hi guys, it's Angela. Gonna do a really quick painting today because I wanted to try out this new, well, it's new to me, DecoArt Holographic Illusions. In addition to watching a million paint pouring channels, I'm also mildly obsessed with Simply Nailogical. Christine and Ben. I feel like Ben is part of the package now too. And so I saw this and my first question was, is it really hollow or is it just iridescent? And it kind of looks hollow, but it also kind of looks almost iridescent, so I'm not sure. And I'm also not sure how it's actually going to show up in a pour. So that was my second theory, or second question. And I wanted to just give it a try. So this is just a small 10 by 10. I'm not going to put too much in my cup, but I did mix up the holograph paint with just Floetrol and a tiny splash of water just to get it to a decent consistency. So I'm going to mix my paints for a just simple ring pour. And we'll see how it comes out.
Don't keep me down. 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 Don't keep me down.
무표정 그대로 고정 뭔가를 보며 의미 없는 생각도 감정 들은 more 그대로 유지통해버려 발걸음을 돌려 또한 내 여기 서려 나 빼고 모두가 잘 어울려 벌써 소저녁 술집엔 안 들려 다 괜찮아 보여 행복해 보여 나만 어지러운 건가 봐 바쁘게 지나가 해는 또 지나봐 내 마음의 꽃은 언제 필까 바쁘게 살지만 그냥 좀 쉬다가 신호등 안 온 불이 언제쯤 바뀌니 있는 힘껏 에너지를 쏟아붓고 탈진 할 때쯤 초록 빨간 둘 중에 뭐가 더 넌 기대돼
이젠 그만 따라갈래 거울 속에 나를 바라봐 줄래 마음속에 깊은 곳에 별빛을
서있어 잊혀진 섬 가운데서 파도가 지나가 마음의 세계 덩그리 지워져도 난 아직 기억하고 있어 yeah. 좀 아쉽지만 괜찮은 척 이제는 했어 찢어진 바지가 제법
I have resisted the urge to torch this. So I stuck my flash on because I think with the flash you might be able to see some of the glitter a little bit. Maybe not. Gonna try. I can see it in person. I'm interested to see how it dries. But there's definitely some glitter in there. Now, I mixed it with only Floetrol because Floetrol is supposed to dry clear, and so this color said it was crystal ball. So I'm not sure if that was actually a white base or if that was meant to be a clear base. So, which is why I also added like a little bit of white in there as well. So yeah, let's see how this dries. So here's the finished piece dry, and again, I'm doing it with the flash on, and I think you'll be able to see the hollow. And I'd like to confirm that it does appear to be real hollow. I see rainbows. And so I made a comment earlier in the video about how I think doing the puddle sort of led to this kind of unfortunate effect. And it's not, I mean, it's unfortunate in that I think what it did is it put the hollow everywhere as opposed to keeping it within the lines of the rings. So if you kind of look, you can kind of see that it's just very shimmery all over as opposed to just being confined to, you know, one set of rings. So it's not, you know, it's not bad, but it's definitely not the effect I was going for. I did try a second piece off camera. I tried to kind of make my layers a little bit thicker and got a little bit better results. You can see there isn't as much hollow. Not as much glitter on this. Trying to just move it around gently so you can see the shine and the sparkle. And again, I tried to use the same colors so that it would, you know, kind of show the same effect. I don't know if you can see, like, this particular little bit right here. You know, it is kind of defined that there is, like, just glitter in this little bit here and not here and not in this little green bit here. But it's not something you would definitely notice when you're looking at this painting from afar. So there's one other little thing that I did, and I don't know if this is going to really show up, but so this is just a little trinket that I've been working on, and in this purple one, hopefully it'll show up. Unfortunately, like, my camera's focused like right over where I'm holding it, but you can see where the hollow really is here and here and not in this area, and that is what I was going for. This was a ring pour, but I only did the hollow in one layer somewhere in the middle. So, and I kind of did it on the blue, and it didn't, you know, it didn't really work on any of the other colors. Well, a little bit on the green, but some of it showed up more on the back on the green. The back is not meant to be the pretty pot side, but again, this is just sort of a little crafty thing that I did. But the purple and the blue here really kind of show what I was after. And I'm hoping that the camera is picking it up, but again, no hollow here, but hollow here and hollow here. So I don't know, it's kind of a fun experiment. I have another bottle of it in a different shade, fairy pink. So maybe we'll give that a try at some point. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you guys have given this a try, let me know. I'd love to hear your results if you have tried it. And otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.
들의 시기네요 모래시계는 쉼없이 지나가는데 껍질만 보는 사람들은 마음이 어떻게
이젠 그만 따라갈래 거울 속에 나